Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick video on breakfast burritos and how I've been doing this for homeschool. I've got twins, they're both 11 years old, and this is how I did it. I took 12 eggs, I scrambled them up, and then I used 2 or 3 slices of cheese, and I just scrambled them all up. Then I took, and that was only a few dollars to do that. Then I took a sausage, breakfast sausage, 1 onion, and some mini bell peppers, and some butter. And I went ahead and I cooked the meat and the vegetables. And then I went ahead and got some big tortillas, big tortillas, and I chopped up some green onion. So let's go ahead and assemble one, and I'll show you how I do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my plate. I'm going to take my plate and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put on a bit of the egg mixture. Okay. Then I'm going to add a tiny bit of the meat and onions. You don't need a lot. You just want to make sure it's lengthy like that. So that's kind of how it's going to look. And then you're going to bring it over here. You're going to take a tiny bit of green onion. If your kids or whoever is eating this, you can omit and use other vegetables if you want. And then I'm going to pause this video. Actually, how am I going to do this? So, because I want to show you how I wrap it. So I wrap it this way. See if I can do it with one hand. How good am I today? So you wrap it this way, that way, then this way, and then you're going to crunch it down and fold it over. And then you're going to take your hand, so there it is. And you're going to take your hand and you're going to go like that. And I'm going to pause this and show you how I wrap it. Okay, so now I've got my tin foil. I'm going to go ahead and go this way. I'm going to bring it this way. I'm going to bring it this way. And I'm going to bring it this way. And I make sure there's nothing liquidy. Don't put any avocado, salsa, anything extra. And then there's one done. And then what I do is I made enough to probably make maybe 6 to 8. So then at lunch, since my kids are on the distant learning, they know in the fridge there's going to be 6 or 8 of these in there. And they can take the tin foil off, put it on a plate. You can use microwave safe plate or a paper plate. And then you're going to go to your Mr. Microwave, open up your microwave, make sure the tin foil's off, and you're going to reheat it for 1 minute. And then you're going to flip it and then do 1 more minute. Or you can do 2 minutes. I like to flip it to make sure it's even. Now this was a cost-effective meal. A dozen eggs I think was $2. The sausage I actually got for $1.13 at our local store, so that's $3.30. The vegetables were, I only used a few, so that's probably another $1, so it's about $4. And the green onion was about $1, $5, and then the tortillas were a couple bucks, so probably $6, $7. Then you divide that by today's meal. They already had a burrito. Then I'm going to make however many this will make, probably 6 to 8 more. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. And then when you, so for the cost of about $1 a day, you can feed your kids a very delicious breakfast burrito. Sometimes they can add avocado, or they can add salsa. I don't know if I have salsa. They could add what are these called? The peppery things, sriracha, hot sauce. I've got hot sauce back here. You can add anything you want, spices. It's totally up to them. Usually they don't have a lot of time because of the distant learning. So I just want to do this video and show you how I do my breakfast burritos that are very good and very inexpensive. If you go to the store, even if you go to a restaurant for this size burrito, you're going to be paying $3 at least to $5 for each kid times 2. So for $1, you can make this instead. Hope you guys have a great day and keep trucking with the homeschool. All right, guys. Bye-bye.